Hi friends, welcome to this channel, and in today's video, I will show you and tell you how you can delete all reposts of a video on TikTok at once. Please subscribe to our channel, don't forget to put likes and also write comments at the end of this video. So, friends, let's get started. First of all, open the TikTok app on your phone. Next, you will need to go to your profile. And after that, when you go to your profile, you need to click on this sign, so you'll see all the videos that you've posted to your page. And let's say if you want to delete one video, then you just click on it. And then at the bottom you click Share. Then Delete from Reports. And if we go out, and as you can see, the video was instantly deleted from the repost folder. And so you can delete videos just by repeating this action in succession. But friends, if you have quite a lot of videos in the reposts, let's say several hundred or even thousands, then of course it will take a very long time. And I would like to delete a video at once. But unfortunately, there is no such function in TikTok as delete all reposts at once. But there is one interesting workaround, which I will show you now. And for this, on your page, on your profile in TikTok, you will need to click on these three bars at the top. Next is Privacy Settings. Then you scroll to the very bottom and select Report a Problem. Then Channel and Play. Then Play Video. And here you select Different. And also at the bottom you select Need More Help. So friends, you get to a page where you can write to TikTok that you would like to get rid of all the videos you have in your repost. For example, you can write like this: Hello support team or support team, I would like you to remove all the videos from the repost folder on my page, on my TikTok page, all at once, or as you see fit. After you post your problem, click here. Send this email to TikTok. Let me tell you right away, TikTok support usually responds in 24 hours, but that doesn't always happen. You may have to wait a bit for them to respond or do what you ask them to do. Friends, this is how you can try to delete all reposts on TikTok in one go. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to this channel, write your comments, be sure to put your likes, and see you soon.